This is the Ffestiniog Power Station, a massive pump storage scheme in Tanagrisha. It works by pumping water from the Tanagrisha reservoir down here up to Ffestiniog when there's a surplus of electricity and when the price is cheap, and letting it down again to generate electricity when it's most needed, when the price is higher. The power station was commissioned back in 1963 and it was the first pump storage system of its kind in the UK. The capacity is immense. It can store 1.44 gigawatt hours of electricity, enough to power the whole of North Wales for several hours. It can be turned on and reach full capacity within 60 seconds. Along with a similar station at Dinorwig near Llanberis. It was originally built to store electricity from the Trawsfynydd and Wilfa nuclear power stations, because they generated electricity 24 hours a day, including during the night while little power was being used. Today, however, it can be used to store renewable energy from wind farms that generate electricity whenever the wind is blowing. It can therefore play a very useful role in decarbonising our economy and moving to net zero to save the world's climate for future generations. For that reason, the scheme's owner, ENGIE, is investing £1.2 billion in renovating both the Ffestiniog and the Dinorwig pump storage schemes so that they can continue to operate for another 25 years.